Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be, showing you something that you could say discovered in mathematics. It's not going to be trying to prove anything, but more so like a method to, let's say, find any equation. Of course, not every, but you'll just understand. So let's just get to it and...
Kiss my fist.
So, the method is called trójtrapezowa metoda in Polish, or tritrapezoid method. I don't know, I don't really have a name for it, and it works pretty simply. I must probably give images here to help you see and understand what am I saying, because I'm not going to be writing on this. I'm not going to. Mom would kill me. And so, as you most probably see here, there are some numbers. And the method works like this. You take any amount of numbers you want, any kind, you put them from like ascending order from highest to lowest in a row or a lane. I don't know. Just up from down. From the smallest to the biggest. And you make like pairs from them. You know what? I should show you here, and you should see 1, 4, 9, 16, and so on. These are, numbers squared. So you have 4, and then you subtract 1. So you make a pair 1, 4, and then you take out the smaller one from the bigger one. So you take 1 from 4, and then it's 3. 9 and 4, it's 5. 16 and 9, it's 7. And you do that as many times as you have the numbers. Then you repeat. You repeat until the numbers start repeating, or when they are equal to 0. And why is it a tritrapezoid? It's trapezoid because if one would draw like the shape of it, then you would see that it's a trapezoid. But it can also be triangle, that's why it's tri. Like with, let's say, prime numbers. With prime numbers, from what I checked, there is always a triangle, so it never stops, or it stops so big that I won't know. I did do 49 squared. Man, I made a lot of mistakes there, but it didn't lead me anywhere. I still was getting these triangles. And this method is very simple. It basically works for anything. You can use it to find the equations for squares, cubes, fourth powers, fifth. I know because I did it. You could most probably do as many as you want.
No way, I already knew.
But also not with that. You could most probably also do with others. So, I don't know, like every even number, odd number, or maybe even some random that consistently grows. Because that is, from what I think, is the only requirement to find equation. That it consistently grows. So the growth never slows down. Like you could always add 1 and then start adding 2s and then starting at 3s, but I haven't really tested that, so I might be wrong. I mean, it's a method that is pretty fun to use because you can find powers of many numbers. I mean, it even gives you an you can even have an equation to do it, but it most of the time requires you to also know the one before it. Approved. And because of its simplicity, I don't really know what to say more about it. Because it's something that a kindergarten.
This is it. Banish from my view.
Someone who's dumb could understand this. Alright? That's how I will say it. Anyone can understand it if he understands subtraction. It's that simple. You just repeat that until you get either a trapezoid, and you can end and start writing the equation from what you got, or you get a triangle, so you have to keep going. And hmm, I don't know if it will be useful or not. It's just more like a fact than anything really useful.
Akadapa. Akadapa. Akadapa.
And I think that this is where I'm going to end this. I'm. Uh, hmm. If you have any questions about this video or some others, write them down in the comments. I don't know, do what you want. I have other videos not similar to this one because I solve in others, and in this one I'm showing you something that I discovered. I don't know, just here should be with the mathematics. And I think I will see you in the next video. I do about dark physics. So that's all for today. Bye. God bless.